Hi, this is Amardeep Malik, and I live in Gurgaon. And just to brief you about myself, by education, I am an engineer and MBA from IIM, and I have been in corporate life for last 25 years. I left my corporate life 2 years back and have launched my own startup following one of my passions. And I'm into spirituality as my passion for last 2 to 3 years. This episode of our podcast is in continuation of our podcast or our channel on spiritual guidance. Okay, so I'm just going to talk on spirituality called forgiveness today and why forgiveness is important. तो हम यहाँ पे अध्यात्म की बात करेंगे. मैं अपनी एक्सपीरियंस की बात से इस बात करूँगा. बिग टॉपिक है क्षमा और फॉरगिवनेस. मैं उस पर बात करूँगा. एंड व्हाई क्षमा इज इम्पोर्टेंट. क्षमा क्या है और क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है. जस्ट बिफोर दैट आई वांट टू से ऑन टॉक अ बिट अबाउट स्पिरिचुअलिटी इटसेल्फ. लास्ट एपिसोड में हमने बात किया था कि आवर एनर्जी क्रिएट्स आवर रियलिटी. ओके, स्पिरिचुअलिटी जो है, फॉर मी स्पिरिचुअलिटी और अध्यात्म जो है जर्नी ऑफ सेल्फ डिस्कवरी. ओके, ये हमारी आत्म खोज की यात्रा है जिसमें हम लाइफ का ट्रू पर्पस, हमारी लाइफ का ट्रू पर्पस और ट्रू मीनिंग खोज करते हैं. वी ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई डू वी एक्सिस्ट, व्हाट्स आवर मीनिंग ऑफ एक्सिस्टेंस, व्हाई हैव वी कम हियर, व्हाट्स आवर पर्पस एंड गोल्स ऑफ आवर लाइफ्स. हमारी जिंदगी का उद्देश्य क्या है, हम यहाँ पे क्यों आए हैं. ऑल्सो कंसेप्ट वेर यू कनेक्ट विद समथिंग बिगर देन योर सेल्फ, विच कुड बी आत्मा और सोल और परमात्मा और डिवाइन. आत्मा और परमात्मा की बात करते हैं और हम उनसे कैसे कनेक्टेड हैं, राइट. सो दैट्स अबाउट स्पिरिचुअलिटी. ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन की बात करते हैं जिसका वन ऑफ द टूल्स इज फॉरगिवनेस. तो हम इज अगेन अ लॉन्ग जर्नी ऑफ सेल्फ डिस्कवरी जहाँ पे हम वी ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड आवर लाइफ purpose or life or soul's purpose and goals, and try to align our practices, our actions, our emotions, our thoughts towards them so that we become much more evolved and much more happier. Okay, and that's spiritual transformation. And some tools for spiritual transformation which we are going to talk in different episodes. And those tools could be things like gratitude, affirmation, mindfulness or living in the present, or meditation, or self-love, or forgiveness, or positivity. So in last episode we talked about positivity and how our energy creates our reality. This episode we'll talk about forgiveness. तो क्षमा, जब हम क्षमा करते हैं तो ये हमारी कमजोरी नहीं होती है, ये हमारा आत्मबल होता है. ओके, और हम क्षमा जब करते हैं तो हम अतीत को चूज नहीं करते हैं, हम अतीत को भूलने की कोशिश करते हैं, हम वर्तमान में आने की कोशिश करते हैं. सो व्हाई फॉरगिवनेस इज इम्पोर्टेंट from a life or spirituality perspective. When you forgive somebody, okay, it could be your ex-spouse, it could be your ex-love, it could be your family member, it could be a friend, it could be anybody in life. Okay, you don't do it because they deserve it. They may or may not deserve it. So let karma take care of that. Our deeds and their deeds, right? Karma always takes care of everybody in short term or long term. But you need to forgive them. Okay, not because they deserve it, but because you deserve peace, happiness, and healing, and liberation from past. So when I forgave people, for example, my ex-wife, duel for 20 years, including 10 years of court battle, or my ex-loves, or my friends, or my few family members, I did that for myself, not because they deserved it, but I did that for myself. Once I did that, it gave me peace, it gave me healing, it healed me all my past wounds. All my past wounds were healed. And it liberated me from past. It made me much more happier and much lighter. तो इसीलिए मैं कह रहा था क्षमा बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. किसी और के लिए नहीं, आपके लिए इम्पोर्टेंट. क्षमा करो, सबको करो, उनके लिए नहीं, अपने आप के लिए. एंड लेट कर्मा टेक केयर ऑफ ऑल द डीड्स. चाहे वो आपके डीड्स हों, चाहे उनके डीड्स हों. कर्मा विल टेक केयर ऑफ दैट. You don't have to bother about it. When it comes to forgiveness, I'll talk about forgiving yourself also, right? So you have to forgive yourself also. Okay? नहीं तो हम जलते रहेंगे, right? तो forgive जब करते हो किसी और को या अपने आप को, तो आप जलना बंद कर देते हो और पास्ट में रहना बंद कर देते हो. आप प्रेजेंट में और फ्यूचर में रहते हो. It also builds your future, right? So अपने आप को क्षमा करना भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. हमने भी अपनी लाइफ में कई गलतियाँ की है, राइट? और जिसके कारण हमें काफ़ी संघर्ष झेलना पड़ा है. We too have done a lot of mistakes in our life, because of which we had to face adversities, right? For example, I did arranged marriage, because of which I had to face adversities of 20 years, including court battles. Okay, I made some mistakes in professional life. Probably chose wrong companies, those companies got bankrupt or those companies got whatever. Okay, so and then I had a few love affairs also, which broke up. So I had a fair share of, I had a big accident also, which put me down for 2 or 3 years. So I had a fair share of, I would say, mistakes and events, which could have been avoided. Okay, had I been probably more careful or wiser, but I forgave myself for that. In fact, and the way to forgive yourself, the way I forgave myself was I expressed gratitude, okay, towards universe and towards myself for doing those mistakes. Not that I will try to repeat those mistakes, no. But I have expressed gratitude for those mistakes because those mistakes led to adversities, big adversities in life, which have made me what I am today, okay? It has transformed me, it has encouraged me to go towards spirituality, which has transformed me and made me much better, stronger, wiser. So I am a much better, stronger, wiser individual today, much free, much liberated. And I'm so resilient that and so confident and resilient that I know that I can face any adversities in life. Okay, so that's the level of confidence I have now. Okay, and obviously I'm wiser too. I'm more spiritual. So I'm a very transformed person because of those mistakes and those adversities. So I thank universe from the bottom of my heart, and I thank myself also for those mistakes. Okay, which have made me a different individual, which could be stronger, wiser, more transformed. This is the way I have forgiven myself, and believe me, I'm much more happy, much more free, much more liberated, much more stronger, wiser, and transformed now. Okay, once I have forgiven others and forgiven myself. So I just wanted to share about that today, and in other episodes I'll talk about different other spiritual tools, leading to spiritual transformation. I talked about. Okay, and it could be gratitude, it could be affirmation, it could be self-love. Okay, it could be meditation. Okay, it could be mindfulness. So I'll talk about those episodes in other episodes. Okay, so hopefully this episode on forgiveness would have helped you a lot. Okay, and would have given you new insights on one of the hot topics of spirituality. आशा करता हूँ कि ये एपिसोड forgiveness पे और क्षमा पे आपको काफ़ी लाभदायक रहा होगा, and hopefully will interact with you on our subsequent episodes on different themes of spirituality going forward. Okay, so आपसे हम दोबारा मिलेंगे दूसरे टॉपिक्स पे बात करने के लिए स्पिरिचुअलिटी पे. ओम नमः शिवाय.